they are yet to, it's yet to be delivered.
Asset register as attached in Appendix 3 before I ask any further question. Is it satisfactory according to you of your templates?
Respond to the same. If you look at the Watamu on that particular similar query, which you are
yes,
so you can answer that together.
Yes, we did. Why we are saying the issue is partially.
So, auditor, what you are trying to say is that you did, during the audit, you did not have sufficient time. Physically verify. Is that the case?
At the time of the audit, they did not provide. We asked for these documents. But we also had limited time. So by the time they compiled and used, it was during these responses. So we received, but also now physical verification of those, of that register, we don't do it.
So, Governor, maybe you can say something.
Chair, yes, this what the auditor is saying is true. You will realize, Chair, some of these trucks we are talking about have just been bought. Either they were bought middle of last year or towards the end. What has happened in the NTCA now, because of the county numbers, there's been also a lot of delays. I know NTCA nowadays works very fast on delivering numbers and logbooks. But when it comes to county assets, there's a lot of delays. I don't know if it's the problem of numbers and whatever. I can testify, Chair, the county bought me a car a year ago and they don't have late numbers to date. So that was the delay. But since we have received, that's why you see the attachment with the auditors have not seen, because they arrived late. Thank you, Chair.
So I think it would be fair to give auditor more time to
Yes,
to go and verify.
Yes, Chair.
But auditors, you know that we have timelines. So you need to do your verification and write back to us in how many days do you need? Because we need to do our report and table it before 31st of March. So we don't have a luxury of time.
Thank you, Chair. I request for 2 weeks.
2 weeks, that is 14 days.
Yes.
So please write to us within 14 days after you have done the verification for all the municipalities. That is all the way from Kilifi, Mariakani, Mutwapa, and Watamu, and the others. So that the committee, when we retreat to write a report, we have all the full information that we need. So you can proceed to the next query.
Next query, Chair, is on trade and other payables. And if you allow, because for Malindi, they did not have that issue, but for Kilifi municipality, they had. With your concurrence, Chair, I can read the one for Kilifi municipality.
You say the queries?
Trade and other payables, where the issue is that they are long outstanding or they are inaccurate.
Okay, proceed.
Again, the for Malindi, sorry, for municipality of Kilifi, and the issue number 2 was inaccurate and long outstanding trade and other payables balance. The statement of financial position reflects trade and other payables balance of Kenya shillings 2, that is 6,421,000. statements. Review of the supporting documents revealed that trade payables balance includes supplier invoices amounting to years and an amount of 73.7 million incurred in the year under review that were not settled within a period of 60 days. No explanation on justification to settle overdue invoices owed to suppliers. In addition, Note 17 to the financial statements reflect as restated opening trade the prior year audited balance of 65 million, even though this was increase of 105 million, 0.9, which was explained as a result of amount owed to 114 suppliers that had been omitted from the prior year audited financial statement. In the county government of Kilifi, which is a separate legal entity and whose principal place of business was in every agreement. In the circumstances, the accuracy, completeness, and existence of trade and other payables balance of 236 million could not.
The management is in agreement with the auditor's observation. Limited resources and budgetary constraints have posed a significant challenge for the municipality in settling the overdue invoices. Nonetheless, its capacity in the municipality accounts office has also been increased by an additional 2 staff.